Hello? Children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Can you hear me, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So why it's late, everybody?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, all of you. So, shall we start? It's time to start.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Only very less participants. Why? 23 only entered. They are entering, I think so. So, let us start. So, what we were discussing before? Saturday was the last class.
Distributive property.
We were discussing about distributive property, isn't it? Yeah, we were discussing about distributive property. So, what was distributive property? Anna Binu, can you say, Anna, what was distributive property of
Ma'am,
multiplication?
property means
What is distributive property? That's the question. What is distributive property? Hmm?
ma'am, it's only for multiplication.
Only for multiplication.
Then
Distributive. You by the word itself you can understand what is it.
and we are distributing that.
What did we do in distributive property? Do you remember? What did we do
Ma'am,
actually?
ma'am, in three integers.
We took
Ma'am, we
three
take
integers.
three
Okay.
integers
Then
and we looked at if it's equal means.
both sides we verified both sides equal. What did we verify? What did we verify?
Ma'am, it's ma'am, A bracket B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C.
Very good. So that is called distributive property. Okay. So A into, if three integers, if A, B, C are three integers, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. That is known as distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay. So, did you all understood what was it? As I
Yes,
have,
ma'am.
yeah, I have given homework based on that. No, two homeworks were given.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All have done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I want, yes, yes.
I'm again affected with fever.
Excuse me?
I was again again affected with fever.
Fever. What happened?
Viral fever. When I consulted doctors for viral fever.
Now you have fever?
No, I don't have.
Okay. Are you okay? Huh?
Yes.
So yesterday you were not there. Saturday you were not attending the class.
No,
Adi Lakshmi?
no, I didn't attend.
That is, we'll do some problems based on that today. Okay, so you'll be able to understand that. It's an important topic. Okay, so anyway, we'll be doing more problems based on that. So it will not be a problem for you. Okay, so let me ask. Yes, my dear Nazrin, can you tell me the first one answer for the first one homework which I have given?
I'm 309.
Oh, which one? It is verify, isn't it? The question was verify. 18 into 7 plus negative 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into negative 3. What was that? What did you get?
72.
Did you get both sides?
Yes, ma'am.
Both
Yes, ma'am.
sides we will get
72.
72. Okay, Mohammad Hishan, did you do the homework? Hishan, can you hear me? Hishan. Hello? I can't hear you. Mohammad Hishan, did you do the homework? Hello? Hello? You are speaking something but I can't hear you. Use the speaker. Effins, did you do the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what did you get? Did you get 72 both sides?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What will be the next answer? Next question's answer, can you tell me?
Positive 210.
Very good, very good. Positive 210. Did you get on both sides? Positive 210.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So both sides we got the same answer. Thus we verified the question given. Okay. Now two more questions I have given. Okay, I'll ask Gauri Priya. Hello, Gauri.
Yes, ma'am.
Gauri, tell me the next question's answer. For any integer
Negative.
a, what is negative 1 into a equal to? Very easy, no?
Negative A.
Very good. Negative a is the answer. Now, another question was there. Determine the integer whose product with negative 1 is negative 22. What is the answer? Ashwin?
22.
Ashwin?
Negative 22.
Shreya answered. Positive 22, correct. Positive 22 into negative 1 is equal to negative 22. Any number into negative 1, it will be changing the sign, isn't it? So 22, positive 22 into negative 1 is equal to negative 22. Then one more number was there. I think it is positive 37. Question was positive 37, no?
Answer is negative 37.
Answer is negative 37, correct. Then last one, it was 0. Answer is
0.
0.
Any number multiplied by 0 will become 0. Any more questions? I think only this much questions was given as homework.
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So today we'll do some more problems related to it. Sometimes it will be in a different order. Okay. So we'll see some more problems related to it. I'll give you the try to do it. Okay. Adi Lakshmi, wait for a minute. You take down the problem. After that, you see the discussions going on. Then I'll do it on the board. Then you will understand. Okay. So share the screen. You can see the board. All of you can see the board, no?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll give you one simple problem. Try to do it. See, the left side is given. Okay, left side is given. You have to find out the other side. Right side is given. You have to do it in the left side form. Using distributive property, you have to do it. So how will you do it? You have to do the other side. Okay. Yeah. How will you write it?
Negative 6
Negative
into
6 into
negative
look,
negative 6
1 minute.
Negative
1
2
minute.
plus negative 3.
Correct. What you say is correct. I'll explain it once more. This one, when the question comes like this, see this, which is common? Negative 6 is common, no?
Yes.
Negative 6, middle plus sign is there. Negative 6 is common, right? For both. So we'll take outside, negative 6 outside. This negative 6 we will write outside. Then what is inside the bracket? Negative 2 plus
negative 3.
negative 3. Clear? Now you
Yes.
have to multiply.
Yes, ma'am.
Positive 36.
Now what will you do? You have to add this. So negative 6 into, what is negative 2 plus negative 3?
5.
Negative 5.
Negative 5. Negative 6 into negative 5, answer is
Positive 30.
Positive 30.
30. In this way you have to do. So sometimes left side will be given, sometimes right side will be given. RHS or LHS can be given. You have to do. Okay.
Ma'am, how will we understand it?
How will you understand? See, any one now integer will be common. So that common integer you have to take out. And remaining you have to write inside the bracket. Okay.
Okay.
Clear? I'll give another problem I'll give. Then it will be clear to you. See here, negative 5 into 12 plus 12 into positive 5. Anywhere it can be given. Okay, which one we'll take out?
12.
Which is common?
12.
12 is common, isn't it? 12 is common. See, middle sign is plus. The operation sign is plus. These are terms. We call it terms. In algebra, we studied, no? 2. In this, you can see 12 is common. We take out 12. Out. 12. Okay. So 12 we took outside. What is remaining in the bracket? Negative 5 plus. If this is minus, it will be minus. Okay. Plus. What is here? It is positive 5. Now, what is the answer? 12 into. What is negative 5 plus positive 5?
Negative.
Negative 25.
My dear, it is
Ma'am,
not
that's
into.
zero.
It is plus.
0.
Zero.
So 0, isn't it? Negative 5 plus positive 5. Addition. So answer is 0. 12 into 0, 0.
0.
0. So this is the application of distributive property. Okay, both sides can be asked as the question. Any side can be asked as the question. Sometimes this side will be given, it will be given like this. Then you have to, using distributive, solve using distributive property. The question will be like that. Then you have to write 12 into first one, negative 5, plus 12 into second one, into positive 5. Then multiply and you can write. What is it? Negative 60 plus positive 60. Answer is 0 again.
0.
Both sides. Both sides will be same. Okay. Did you understand what I said, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So question can come either left hand side or right hand side, whatever it is, you should be able to answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'll give another problem. This one, I'm taking small numbers now. Find out.
And both side are to do.
Both sides no need to do. Only one right hand side you have to do now. Because it is not asked to verify. It is asked to solve, find the answer. So you can do only one side, the right side. Easily you can do, no? Take out the common factor. Take out the common factor and do.
And I got the answer.
Okay, what is the answer you get?
Positive 6.
Very good. Positive 6 is the correct answer. Who got?
Mama, you got.
Gopika Shankar.
Gopika
I
Shankar.
also got.
Okay, good. Good. So which one we have to take out?
Positive 3.
Positive 3.
Positive 3.
Very good. Common factor is positive 3.
Positive 3.
Isn't it? Positive 3 is common. So we'll take it out. Positive 3. Then what is remaining in the bracket? Positive 7
Positive
plus
7
and
plus
negative
negative
5.
5.
negative 5. So what is the answer you are getting? Positive
3 into 2.
Into 2.
Into positive
Answer
3.
is 6.
Answer is positive 6.
Positive 6. Good. So this is the way you have to do. If it is given in this, if this is the question, you have to do it like this. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If this one is a question, you can do it in this way. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Solve using distributive property. Actually, the question will be coming in this way. You have to use, this is called a distributive property, isn't it? But both sides can come as question sometimes. Any one side will be given. You should be able to answer both ways. Clear, children? What I said?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In either left hand side will be given as question or right hand side can be given as a question. Okay. So now, and some more questions we will do. That's all today. Then pass on to division. I'll give you some more questions. Tomorrow also you'll be having maths. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now try to do this. Find the product. The question is like this. Find the product CT product using find the product using suitable property. Find the product using suitable property. 26 into negative 48 plus negative 48 into negative 36. Find out. First one. Aisha, Hida, video is not on. Aisha, video, please check your video. It's not on. Now, Shreya.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Who is it?
Ma'am, me Gopika.
Okay, Gopika. What is the answer you got?
Positive 480.
Okay. Let me check others' answers, then I'll tell you the correct answer.
Ma'am, I also got
got the answer.
the
Who?
Ma'am, Gopika
Bahja.
Amruta also got.
Baja got the answer. What is the answer you got?
Positive 480.
Okay. Many videos are switched off. Why? I don't know. Please switch
Even I
on.
got the answer.
Got the answer.
Okay. Okay. So, how many all of you got answer 480?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I also got 480 got.
Okay, we'll see what is the answer. Okay, we'll check what is the answer. Now, I'll take common factor out. We can take common factor out. Which is the common factor? Negative 48. Negative 48. So I'll take out negative 48. Now what is inside the bracket? 26
26
plus
Negative 36.
plus negative 36.
36. So what I will get? I will get minus 48 into what is
Negative 10.
6 and minus
10.
36?
Negative 10.
Negative 10.
Negative 10. Okay. So negative 48 into negative 10. Answer is
Positive
positive
480.
480. 80.
Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is how you have to do. Another problem I'll give you. Another one. See, after some time, some changes will be there. This is easier one. Okay, these are all easy problems. After doing some easy problems, we'll come on to the next type. This one, 625 into positive 35 plus negative 625 into 65. Find out. Positive 65. If a number is there without sign, you can take it as positive. Find out the answer.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay. Okay, what did you get?
Negative 62,500.
Ma'am, even I got the answer.
Got
Same
the
answer.
answer.
Who? Adilakshmi?
Yes, ma'am.
I also got the answer.
Okay, what is the answer you got?
Negative 6,000, 62,500.
Okay, Hiba, did you get the answer? Hiba? Gobigaram, please switch on the video.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Ah. Okay, good. Switch on the video, children. Gobiga, Hiba, Fatima, I cannot see you. Gobiga, did you do the problem? Gobigaram,
Ma'am,
did you do the problem? Nural Haya, Hiba, Fatima, switch on the video. I can't see you. Okay. Okay. So, yes, Jonal, are you doing the problem? Are you doing? Okay, show me your book. Hello. Who is chatting in between? Do the problem when I am saying. Okay, good, good. Did you get the answer, Jonal? Jonal, did you get the answer?
I'm not doing. I'm doing.
I
got the answer.
Okay. Now, Wasim, where are you? You are not seen, only your house is seen here. Wasim. Hello. Wasim. I cannot see you. Okay. Nural Haya, Abaja Kane. Afreen, did you get the answer? Afreen? Hello? Afreen, did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what is the answer you get? Wasim, where were you? I couldn't see you for so long. Huh? Where you were? Only now you came? You switch on the light. I cannot see your face also. Who is sitting? Can't see your face, and Wasim, I didn't see you. When I asked you a question, you were not there. Where were you? Okay, so let us find out the answer. What was the answer? Hiba, did you do the question? Hiba?
2,500.
Hiba? Can you hear me, Hiba? No. Hiba? Can you hear me? Okay, what is the answer? Let us check what is the answer. No noise is coming. I don't know what happened. So which one we will take out?
Negative 625.
625 into. Now what is inside the bracket? 35.
Positive 35 plus
Yeah, positive
positive
35
65.
Positive 65.
65.
So negative 625 into. What is this?
Positive 100.
Positive 100.
Positive 100.
Positive 100. See, the simplification became easy, isn't it? By using the distributive property, simplification is becoming easy, right?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Isn't it? So this is the application of distributive property. Okay, when you have to calculate big amount, big thing, different numbers. So if you are using the property, the problem becomes simpler. So the answer is negative, isn't it? Negative into positive, negative
Negative
62,500.
62,500.
You will get the answer. Clear, children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next one.
I got to answer.
Okay. Now we'll give. I'll give you another problem. See, this one is a different one. This one is not distributive property. This is not. The question was using suitability. Find the answer, isn't it? What was it? Question was using suitable property. Find out the answer. So always now till now we were using distributive property. Now next question I am going to give, just check it. We cannot do it using distributive property, but some other property you can use. Tell me what property you can use that, so that the multiplication will become easier. This is the multiplication given. Which property you can use to solve it very quickly? What are the properties?
Associative property.
Ah, very good. Associative property. What is associative property? What is associative property? Associative property says that multiplication of integers can be done in any order, isn't it? We can multiply any number with any integer with other integer. In any order, answer will be the same. So, which order we will follow? Which is easier? Which we will get the multiplication easier? Can you tell me?
25 into -4.
Very good. 25 into -4 we will do first, isn't it? Minus 25 into -4. Then with that we will multiply what?
Minus
15
10.
into
Negative 10.
It is not plus, okay, it is into. Don't change the sign anywhere. Okay, it is positive and negative is there, and operation sign everywhere is into. So simply multiply. What is this you will get?
25 into
25 into 4 is
Positive 100.
positive 100 into this one. What is the next one?
150.
Negative 150.
Negative
Isn't it?
150.
Negative 150. Negative 150. Now, what is the answer? 150 into 100. Positive 150 into 100. So, just write 150.
Negative 50.
Then these two zeros. That's all. Okay, so what is the sign of the answer?
Negative.
Negative. Okay, so we got the answer. What is the answer now? Negative
Negative 15,000.
15,000. Negative 15,000. Like that. Sometimes you will be getting a question like this. Use suitable properties and solve or do the problem. So you have to carefully listen what is given. Okay, what is given. Always it need not be distributive property. It can be associative property also. Okay, now this is a variety problem. Then we can see the next one. I think time is up. Now just I'll give you one more problem. After that we'll stop. It's time is up. I have to move on. One more problem. 41 into 102. Question is use suitable property and find the answer. Okay, simply instead of simply multiplying, you can use some property to get the answer easily. What is it?
We can split that 100 and
Very good, very good. You can split the 102, isn't it? You can split 102. This number you can split, and you can write it as what?
100 plus 2.
Very good. We can write it as 100 plus 2. So negative 41. Oh, this negative 41. Okay, negative 41 into 102 I will split as 100 plus 2. Okay, now which property we can use to find out the answer?
Distributive property.
Distributive property.
So according to distributive property, first I will multiply with negative 41 into 100 plus this plus. This plus. Then negative 41 into 2. Negative 41 into 2. So what you will get as answer? Negative
4,100.
4,100 plus
Negative 82.
82. It is easy to add, no?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is the final answer you are getting?
Negative 4,180.
Negative 4,182.
82.
Easily you got the answer, isn't it? Without
Yes, ma'am.
big multiplication, you got the answer very easily. This is the application of distributive property for calculating easily. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So bye. See you later. I'm leaving. It's time.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.